Now these trios of Duchess Bone China Pheasant design, teacup, saucer and side plate probably date from towards the end of production when they were making these in the early 1980s. It's been out of production for a long period of time and it is starting to become recognised and collected along with other pheasant design patterns. Now it's bone china, made in England, D-shaped teacup as you can see with this slight wasting. See the way it nips in the middle and then flares out towards this almost scalloped, more of an indent rim really. It's irregular. They're in fine condition, these trios. On the front you've got the cock pheasant in full flight on the front with the brown and silver foliage and just a smaller transfer pattern with the foliage on the rear. But it's the gilt on there that I really want to bring to your attention, just how bright that is, particularly over the thumb rest and around the base of the handle. It doesn't usually take much wear along the pedestal base, but it's all very, very bright, and the glaze is just, look at the reflection of the light in there, really, really good. There's the period Duchess China March. Let's just get that in focus for you, struggling a little bit there in the light. There we go. Crown and Duchess Bone China, made in England. Little saucer, again with cock and hen pheasant design, and again in absolute mint condition. And the side plate, I think 6.5 inch. All the measurements will be on the website listing, but again, just look at the reflection in the light on that. Absolutely mint. Beautiful piece of English rural design, really, isn't it? With the pheasants on there, on pure bone white china, beautifully executed by Duchess, and these sets are in absolutely mint condition. We've got, I think, 7 or 8 of them going on sale this afternoon. So the link description below will take you through to the website listing for these particular trios, and we do have duos available and a lot of other pieces of Duchess Bone China in the pheasant design for you to browse, so do have a look through the website. We'll pop a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.